HBAR holders, listen up. There's a financial wall looming ahead, and it's not some far-off theory. It's a price resistance wall that could wipe out your hard-earned gains overnight if you don't prepare. We're talking about the wealth you're building for your family, the future you're securing. This isn't a drill, and it's not just another crypto hype video. If you're interested in this topic, hit the like button, subscribe, and type interested in the comments. And I will give you a heart. If you're thinking, HBAR is unstoppable, you need to think again. History shows that even the most powerful rallies hit a brick wall. Today, we're not just talking. We're breaking down the exact resistance level HBAR is racing toward, what it means for your financial well-being, and how to protect yourself with a clear, actionable strategy before it's too late. The difference between watching your gains evaporate and securing your family's future lies in the next 45 minutes. Pay attention. So, what exactly is a resistance wall? Simply put, it's a price level where selling pressure historically overpowers buying. Imagine the price of HBAR is a ball being thrown toward a ceiling. Every time it hits that ceiling, the force of gravity, in this case massive sell orders, pushes it back down. This isn't random. It's a concentration of sellers who either bought at this level before and are waiting to break even, or smart traders who are taking profits. Using data from TradingView, we've identified a key resistance level that HBAR has failed to break through multiple times over the past few months. Specifically, we've seen rejections around the 27 cents to 29 cents range on several occasions. In December 2024, and again in January 2025, HBAR approached this zone, only to be met with overwhelming selling pressure that led to a sharp correction. Here's why it matters. The more times an asset hits a resistance level without breaking through, the stronger that wall becomes. It's like a battering ram hitting a castle wall. Each hit weakens the ram, and the wall stands firm. If HBAR hits this wall again, it could trigger a wave of profit-taking, leading to a sharp price drop. And that's the last thing you want when you're building wealth for your family's future. Have you ever seen a crypto hit a price ceiling and then crash? Type yes if you have, or no if you've been lucky so far. Let me know your experience in the comments. HBAR's current surge isn't happening in a vacuum. It's fueled by a potent mix of internal network developments and external macroeconomic forces. On the bullish side, we've seen a lot of great news. Hedera's recent network upgrades, enterprise partnerships, like its collaborations with NVIDIA and Accenture, and growing adoption are creating a strong tailwind. For example, Hedera's Hashgraph algorithm enhancements have boosted technical confidence, and new developer incentive programs have attracted a wave of new projects. These are all valid reasons for the price to be climbing. But, at the same time, we have to look at the bigger picture. Macroeconomic factors are also in play. We're seeing rising inflation fears, shifting interest rates from central banks like the US Federal Reserve, and global economic uncertainties. When traditional financial markets get jittery, investors often pull money out of riskier assets like crypto. This combination of a major technical resistance level and a volatile macroeconomic environment creates a perfect storm. It could either cause a massive breakout or a harsh rejection. If the rejection happens, it could mean your gains vanish overnight, especially if traders panic sell. And it's not just the technicals, it's the human emotion behind it. When people see a rejection at a key level, they often react with fear, which can exacerbate the selling pressure and turn a minor correction into a painful crash. Here's a quick story from my early days in crypto. I was riding a token that looked unstoppable, until it hit a resistance wall. I saw the signs, but I chose to ignore them, thinking, it'll break through this time. Spoiler alert, it didn't. Within hours, price dropped 40%, wiping out weeks of gains. That day, I learned the hard way to respect resistance walls, because they're real. Here's the good news, you don't have to get caught off guard. You can be prepared. Here's the strategy to protect your family's wealth from this impending resistance wall. Set stop losses near key resistance levels. A stop loss is an order to automatically sell your holdings if the price drops to a specific level. By setting a stop loss just below this critical resistance level, you can protect your capital and ensure that if a rejection happens, you're not left holding a token that suddenly dropped significantly in value. It's a simple but powerful tool for risk management. Consider taking partial profits. It's never a bad idea to take some money off the table. If HBAR is approaching the wall, you might consider selling a small portion of your holdings. This allows you to lock in some gains and gives you peace of mind, knowing you've secured at least a portion of your profits. You can always buy back in at a lower price if a pullback occurs. Watch volume trends. This is a key technical indicator. If you see the price of HBAR climbing toward the resistance level, but the trading volume is decreasing, that's a red flag. It suggests that the buying pressure is weakening and the rally may not have enough strength to break through the wall. A genuine breakout is often accompanied by a surge in volume. Stay informed about macro news and Hedera updates. Keep an eye on global economic news, interest rates, and inflation. These factors can have a massive impact on the crypto market. Also, watch for any major announcements from the Hedera Governing Council. These updates can either fuel a breakout or, if they disappoint, intensify a rejection. Remember, this isn't about panic selling, it's about smart wealth preservation. It's about being proactive, not reactive. What's your game plan if HBAR hits this wall? Hold tight? Sell some? Or buy the dip? Comment below and let's build a strategy together. Bars on the move, but the resistance wall is real, it's coming, and you need to be ready. By understanding the risks, you can make informed decisions and protect your family's financial future. In my next video, I'll reveal how to spot the exact breakout signals and get ahead of the next big rally. I'll be diving deep into the technical indicators and on-chain data that will tell us if HBAR is finally going to smash through this wall and head to new highs. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and smash that like button if you want to secure your family's crypto future. Remember, smart moves today protect your gains tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you next time.